Today we will see Planet First Environmental Science 3rd Standard CBSE textbook. In this we will see Unit 5 Food and Shelter. In that Chapter 12 Eating and Cooking. Chapter 12 Eating and Cooking. Let's dive in. Warm up. Tick the right option for eating habits that you would think a family should follow. Eat junk food? No. Order pizza whenever someone feels hungry? No. Eat home cooked meals? Yes. Drink lots of packed cold drinks? It's no. Our family doctors advise us to eat healthy food and exercise every day. They can even tell us about the kind of food that each member of the family needs in order to stay fit and active. We should follow the advice given by our family doctors. Doctors advise us to eat healthy food every day. Healthy eating in a family. Older people can have heart and digestion problems. Thus, our grandparents are advised to have food cooked in less oil as it is easy to digest. The doctor recommends that healthy and light food such as porridge, cornflakes, fruits and chapati with green vegetables should be eaten by older people. Our parents have to stay active throughout the day as they play a major role in looking after the family members. Our parents should eat healthy home food such as rice, chapati, vegetables, fruits, yogurt and pulses. Doctors recommend that our parents should cook green vegetables regularly and encourage everyone in the family to eat different kinds of fruits. The parents should ensure that everyone, including themselves, has a healthy diet and drinks lot of water. Children and babies spend a lot of energy playing and studying. Their bodies also grow at a fast rate. Doctors recommend that they should eat all kinds of homemade foods and drink lots of milk. Junk foods such as potato chips, burgers, pizzas and soft drinks should be avoided. Babies should have plenty of milk and smashed bananas, rice and dal, etc. as they grow. Eat lot of fruits, vegetables and salads. Chew your food slowly and properly. Do not overeat. Overeating can make you fat and lazy. Avoid junk food such as soft drinks, pizzas, potato chips, burgers, noodles, etc. Drink fresh fruits. Avoid fried food. Drink lots of water, good for digestion of food. Do not eat stale or uncovered food from the roadside stalls. We should eat a balanced diet every day. A balanced diet means eating the correct amounts of different kinds of food in order to get proper nutrition for the body and remain healthy and strong. Nutrition from food: energy giving foods, wheat, rice, sugar; bodybuilding foods, milks and egg, meat, pulses; protective food, fruits, vegetables and nuts. Cooked and raw food. Food that we eat in either cooked or eaten raw. Some food items can be eaten raw as well after being cooked. The fruits and vegetables such as apple, mangoes, carrot, radish, cucumber, etc. are tasty to eat and easy to digest even when these are eaten raw. These need not be cooked and can be eaten raw. Foods such as pulses, cereals and vegetables are hard to digest. Therefore, these are cooked before eating. Cooking makes the food soft, germ-free and easy to digest. Cabbage, aubergine, turnip, cucumber. Types of stoves and fuels. We can use different types of stoves that depend upon varied kinds of fuels to cook food. Cooking devices also run on electricity. Some types of stoves are given below. The LPG gas stove uses liquefied petroleum gas. A microwave oven runs on electricity. A tandoor is lit up using wood and coal. A kerosene stove runs on kerosene, which is type of oil. A solar cooker cooks food using sunlight. A hot plate runs on electricity. Methods of cooking. There are many ways of cooking food. Let us learn more about them. Frying. Cooking food in hot oil is called frying. It is usually done in a frying pan or a wok. A wok is a large pan shaped like a bowl. The dishes that we eat after frying are pakoras, cutlets, etc. Deep frying is a term which is used when food is fried in a large amount of oil. Shallow frying can be done with less amount of oil on a griddle. A griddle or a tawa is a flat round iron plate that is heated on a stove or over a fire. Paranthas are fried on griddles. Boiling. Boiling involves cooking food in hot boiling water. It is usually done on a deep flat bottom pan. Potatoes, eggs, noodles and macaroni are boiled in such pans. Steaming. Food is also cooked with the help of steam formed by boiling water. Food can be steamed in a pan, a pressure cooker or a special steamers for making idlis and doklas. A steamer is a metal container with small holes in it. It is placed over a pan of boiling water. The food is cooked in a steam rising from the water. Cooking in pressure cooker saves time and fuel. Pulses are usually cooked by steaming. Baking and roasting. Baking is done in an oven. An oven is a closed chamber which is set to a very high temperature. Cakes, breads and biscuits are baked in ovens. Roasting is done by putting the food directly over the fire. Roasting can be done in a tandoor or an oven. Materials for making utensils. Different materials such as aluminium, copper, steel, clay and brass are used to make different kinds of cooking utensils. Borosilicate glass is used to make utensils that can be used in a microwave oven. Let's read in summing up. Eating and cooking. Eat healthy food. Eat home cooked meals. Different nutritional requirements for people of different ages. Different types of stoves. LPG gas stove, microwave oven, tandoor, kerosene stove, solar cooker, hot plate. Varied methods of cooking: frying, boiling, steaming, baking and roasting. Exercises. Name the following: 2 different kinds of stove, 2 cooking methods, a piece of equipment used for both roasting and baking, 2 devices used for steaming food. Fill in the blanks. Boiling involves cooking food in a hot boiling water. Cooking food in hot oil is called frying. A microwave oven runs on electricity. Foods such as pulses, cereals and vegetables are easy to digest. Which method of cooking should be followed for the following? Pakoras, deep frying, idlis, steaming, paranthas, shallow frying, cakes, baking. What are the different kinds of fuels used for producing heat in the following stove? LPG, liquefied petroleum, solar cooker, it's sunlight, tandoor, wood and coal, kerosene stove, kerosene oil. Imagine that you are a doctor. What advice about eating food will you give to the following? Older people, your parents, children of your age and babies. Then comes the activity. This completes the chapter. Thank you.